Anyway, guys, this been this ex-girlfriend. She has been moved on and the Tirelo, she's under the comment section. Let's get to the story today. You know the rules of the hustle. Somebody please on for welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe it, to like it, comment. A happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you guys. I really don't understand you. Whether Tirelo she's a good person or she's pretending to be a nice person for social media, because we all know that social media can be something else. So for those who don't know who is Sbindi's ex-girlfriend, the one that we saw on his Organizers Tembo season 2, the one we thought Mpumela is going to pay Ulobolo Kantibega Shaula. If you took someone's virginity in a Zulu culture, I think there's certain amount you need to pay for that family, before she get married, type of situation. So now Nompumelelo has moved on. She has found love. She recently posted her boyfriend, guys, as you can see on the picture. And Tirelo, who is Sbindi's main girlfriend right now, decided to comment on that post. As you can see, she went on to say that abazali bamlungu. I don't know whether, because we know that Unompumela, she has a child. She doesn't like it posting her child, she's a very private person. I don't know what happened for her to post this guy, but most of the time she just like posting herself. So Utirelo decided to say, you know what, I'm gonna comment. Guys, it seems like Utirelo, she's celebrating that Mpumelelo has moved on, has found love. I mean, that's a good thing. I mean, very obviously she was a competition. Remember that Mpumelelo wanted a first girlfriend to be a virgin, and people thought Mpumelelo was going to be Sbindi's first girlfriend. She dated her when he was with guys, and then there were other ladies, and then now it is Tirelo alone. I've realized that Taibo Umpumelelo is showing love to Tirelo. He's busy posting her on his Instagram account. It seems like Tirelo, she's now alone. No wonder why she's happy. So guys, do you think it's normal for ladies for other to celebrate, to comment on your man's ex-girlfriend? I don't know whether they do have a relationship, or maybe Tirelo, she's just a bubbly person. She's a nice person. She doesn't care about this type of situation. She doesn't care. The problem is that it's very hard for her to have a relationship with your guys, because of your guys, you can tell if your guys, she's not that type of person. So tell me in the comment section, guys, what do you think? Do you think Tirelo, she's doing too much, or maybe it's a normal thing to be on your man's ex-girlfriend? This comment section. Do not forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. A happy Wednesday. Bye.